In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Roblox error that says failed to download or apply critical settings. This issue can stop Roblox from opening properly, but don't worry. I'll walk you through a few quick and easy fixes to solve it on your PC. Before we begin, please consider leaving a like on the video and subscribing to the channel. It really helps support me and keeps tutorials like this coming. This error usually happens when Roblox files or network settings get corrupted. The first thing you should do is make sure Roblox is completely closed. To do this, open the Task Manager from the Windows Start menu, look for any Roblox processes, and end them. This ensures Roblox isn't running in the background. Next, let's clear Roblox's temporary files. Press the Windows key and R on your keyboard to open the Run box. Type %local app data, and press Enter. A folder will open. Find the Roblox folder, open it, and then open the versions folder inside. Select everything in that folder and delete it. These are just cached files, so it's completely safe to remove them. After that, restart your network settings. Open the Start menu again and search for Command Prompt. Right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. Then, use it to reset your internet settings and refresh your connection. Once that's done, close the window and restart your computer. Restarting helps apply all the changes properly. When your computer is back on, open your browser and go to the Roblox website. Log in, click on any game, and press the play button. Roblox will automatically reinstall itself with fresh files. Once the installation is complete, you should be able to open Roblox again without seeing the error. To help prevent this issue in the future, run Roblox as an administrator. Find the Roblox player icon on your desktop, right-click it, choose Properties, go to the Compatibility tab, and check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. Then click Apply and OK. If you're still having the same problem after all these steps, it could be caused by your antivirus or firewall blocking Roblox. Try opening your antivirus settings and make sure Roblox is added to the allowed list. That usually fixes it for most people. And that's it. That's how you can fix the failed to download or apply critical settings error in Roblox on PC. Hopefully this helped you get back into the game. If it did, please drop a like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and let me know in the comments if it worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.